Alright, so I had me a weird egg. My birds are just starting to drop. And you know, I know this happens sometimes. They usually have like one leathery one or something off. But this little thing is like, I don't think any shell formed. It's like just the skin. Look at that. It's like jelly-like. So I'm gonna, and there's a little bit of like blue goo on the side, and it might be what was supposed to be shell coloring. This is normally what they look like. Like these girls are putting out some nice blues. They're all pretty uniform. This one was just laying out in the middle of the coop, which is very typical, but I don't think it has a yolk. So that's what I figured we would see. Does this have a, I should get a little plate maybe, but nah. I don't know if I want to eat this thing. Does this have a yolk? Oh, that's wild. No, I don't think so. Although it's kind of white. Or is that a yolk of some sort? No, wait, is it an egg within an egg? I think it's an egg within an egg. Oh, okay, that's weird. What, like a little eggy umbilical cord? Okay, well, this one might have a yolk. What do you think? Does this have a yolk? Oh, weird. Firmer than I would expect. Or are we going to have another egg? I'm not sure what to call that. Wait a second. Is this another egg? No, that looks like some kind of yolk. That looks like a very premature yolk. Oh, and Mommy's gonna get a treat. Anyway, here, let's cut this open just to make sure. And, or maybe not. Maybe they're, oh, what? That almost might have been another egg within an egg with a yolk, right? And then we got this thing now. Oh boy, it's like those little Russian dolls. Well, I assume that this is the end of the story. Yeah, that's kind of, I don't think I would have wanted to eat this. That does not look, although I suppose once you scramble it up you wouldn't know, but that's not what you want to hear from your breakfast chef. So, anyway, thanks for coming along on my weird egg adventure. Yeah, chickens are so gross. Anyway, aloha.